Hello, my lovely people. A warm welcome to autumn. Although it is almost time to say goodbye to autumn, but today I'm here to present you a fall-inspired soft bronze makeup. Hope you will enjoy it. So to begin my makeup, first I'm preparing my skin. I am applying NARS Radiance Primer all over my face to make my skin really moisturized. And now I'm taking my color corrector palette by MAC and I'm concealing all those spot and acne marks that I want to hide. I have got several small marks in my face right now, and also the dark circles under my eyes. I'm covering everything. And today I'm using the foundation that is Giorgio Armani Lumina Silk Foundation. I think this foundation works really well during this autumn and winter season because it's so moisturizing to the skin, and it gives you a sheer coverage, which I really love. It's so hydrating and it gives that glow that we need during this dry season. And I'm blending everything with my beauty sponge. I applied a little more because I felt I need some more coverage. So yeah, you need to blend it really well. Then I'm taking my concealer and I'm actually applying to the upper lid and preparing my upper eyelids for the eyeshadow. I'm using NARS Creamy Concealer and my shade is Caramel. Preparing my eyebrows, very simple. I love my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown, and keeping the natural lines, I'm just drawing over it but trying to keep it as natural as possible. And now starts the most exciting part, that is eyeshadow. It's time to play with colors. Then I'm using Born to Run by Urban Decay. First I'm applying Weekender in all over my eyelids as a base color. So it will really help other colors to set over it. And today's eyeshadow is going to be a very soft kind of eyeshadow. I will blend everything together. So once I'm done with the base, now I am defining my crease. For that I have taken the shade Reef, which is a really nice transition color, and I'm applying that in both of my crease area and blending it really nicely. And now I'm taking Double Life, which is a very gorgeous bronzy tone. And I'm applying it with my finger because though the brushes can do the job, but I think with finger always for any eyeshadow you get the best color payoff. So I prefer finger and I'm comfortable with that. I'm applying Double Life in both of my eyelids, and now I will define it a little more. So I have taken Punk and applying it to the outer area of my eyelid, both corners. I'm just keeping it to the outer corner, not blending it all the way around, but keeping it just outer corner till the midpoint, and blending really well because I want a really soft look. So now taking the color Ignite or Ignite, so yeah, I'm popping that in the central part of my eyelid so the eyes look more brighter and lively. I always love to do the same thing, like popping some bright colors in the center part of the eyelid. And now I'm popping some bright gold color in the inner corner of my eyes, and that is the shade Stranded. It's a beautiful gold color, and this bright color make your eyes lively and wake up the whole makeup look. It gives a new level. So yes, I wanted to brighten up the look with these inner corner highlighters. And now I am concealing my under eye areas and adding some setting powders to set everything. I'm also adding the powder in the crease area, smile line of my face, everywhere that is needed to prevent the creasing. Now time for eyeliner. I'm using Super Liner by L'Oreal Paris and my eyeliner is done super quick. Now I'm using my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Whiskey to line my lower lash line, and also I will be blending it with a pencil brush so the whole makeup look looks really blended and nice. Yeah, and now my favorite mascara, and this is the Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. This is my favorite because it makes my eyelashes look really long, not so thick but longer, and it's a fantastic mascara for especially lower lashes because it separates each of the lashes really nicely. As a bronzer, I'm using Bahama Mama by Balm Cosmetics. It's an awesome bronzer for those who have darker skin tone because this gives a really great contour and it is so much visible even if you have darker skin tone because it's very pigmented and the color is just perfect for my skin tone for contouring. It gives a natural contoured look, which is absolutely fantastic. Right now I'm contouring my nose, and I really like contouring my nose and all over my face because I feel like this is such an important step for makeup to give it another level. I cannot skip this step, and I'm adding some more powder to make everything blended and make sure that I look really natural. Now I'm using my favorite blush of the season, and that is Blush Trio in the shade Peachy Love by ABH. I'm blending all the shades together and applying in my cheeks. I really love how pretty it looks. It gives life to the makeup. I'm highlighting my face with Amrezi highlighter by ABH, one of my favorite highlighters. It looks so natural on my skin. I'm adding everywhere that I want to focus. Especially my nose. This is my really another favorite part. Now it's time for lipstick. First I'm lining my lips with MAC lip pencil in the shade Cherry. It's a very pretty cherry color, and then I am applying lipstick, and that is also from ABH, and the shade is Rosewood. Rosewood is my favorite lipstick. I just could stay with this one, but then I thought for fall makeup I want something more brighter, and that is why I'm adding Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Famous. I'm just adding a little bit over the Rosewood. I'm done with my eyelashes. It's from Terry. Sweet Lashes. Yeah, now time to prepare my hair. I'm just doing a simple hairstyle. I'm tying it at the back and keeping some in front, puffing it a little bit. Very simple. And I think with choker it's nice to have tied up hair, and that's the finished look. Hope you loved it. It's my this year's fall inspired soft bronze makeup look. Please let me know guys if you have loved it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.